The Central Division may not be as badly affected by the rain as the Western Division. People still aren't taking any unnecessary risks. This was the scene at Nosori this afternoon as residents of the Delta town stock up on supplies. But for some, it was business as usual. This was at Kasabu village in Tailebu. These women braved the strong currents to get freshwater mussels to sell. Authorities are concerned at the laxity shown by many during these rainy conditions and are urging the public to avoid flooded waters to prevent drowning.
It has been an area of concern that irrespective or despite the fact that we've been issuing out advisories and so forth, it seems that we still see people who are swimming in flooded areas, wading across flooded roads. Once again, we'd like to reiterate that there is a need for parents and both adults as well to listen to these advisories. We're giving it out for their own safety, and especially for children as we're entering into the weekend. They will be, intrigued by the whole weather situation and therefore might want to venture outside. We're calling on parents and guardians to please closely monitor the movement of their children at all times.